So welcome guys on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to flash Lineage OS Android 16 custom ROM on our Redmi Note 14 5G or Poco M7 Pro. First things first, we need our phone and a PC. Then we should have a HyperOS 2 ROM installed on our phone. Not the HyperOS 3, it will work on only HyperOS 2 and HyperOS 1. If you do this on HyperOS 3, it might break your phone. So please step follow my steps. Do not do your own. So first, we need to unlock our developer option. And also important thing, our bootloader should be unlocked. In locked bootloader, it can't be flashed. You can see my bootloader is unlocked. Go back. And we have to turn on this USB debugging option. Turn it on. We have to wait 10 seconds. Press OK. All things done on phone. And reminding again, this will follow on HyperOS 2 and 1 only, not on HyperOS 3. If you are on HyperOS 3, downgrade to HyperOS 2. Okay. Now we need to boot our device to fast boot mode. We boot it and press volume down button. It will boot in fast boot mode, or we can say bootloader mode. I think okay. It boot on fast boot. Connect it with our wire to PC. Let's we go on our PC screen. So now we are on our PC screen and we need two files. One, LineageOS ROM and its vendor boot image. I will provide both of these links under description, and also this is my update channel. I have provided many of ROMs, you can see here. And let's start. First, our phone in fast boot mode, tap on here and write CMD. We have to given some commands. First command is, you can see. Now we have to press enter. So we need to write here fast boot, reboot, then quickly enter, then quickly press volume up button. Yeah. Now we are on LineageOS recovery. Here is reboot system now and apply update. We have to go apply update by using volume up and volume down button. Press volume down, then go to apply update. Let me down exposure. Okay. We have to choose VI power button. Now press power button. Now apply update from ADB. Yes, we have to press power button. Yeah. Now we have to go on our PC screen. So now our device is on cyclone mode. Now we have to write ADB side load and drag and drop the whole link. Hold on. Is on side load mode. Now we have to write ADB site load and drag and drop the whole row. Okay, now we have to press enter. Now we have to wait some time. Okay, the flashing is starting, as you can see. It may stuck on 47%. Don't be scared. It will flash your mobile, but don't disconnect your mobile while flashing. Okay, so our Lineage OS is successfully flashed. So now we have to flash G apps. If you want, it's totally a vanilla build. I will flash G apps, so I will go to yes. This error, we have successfully flashed our ROM. Okay, now we have to go on PC screen. We have to download the G apps. You can boot this ROM, no problem, but still I need Google services. So on Google we have to type mind the G apps. Android 16 build Android 16 build, so we are going to Android 16. We flashed Android 15, so we have to flash Android 15 G apps. Okay, now physical Lineage OS. Here, scroll down and Android 16. We have to choose ARM 64. This one we have to download, not this one. You can see, and we here 488 MB. Download this. Now you can see the G apps are downloaded. Now we have to flash them. Go to download folder. Now we have to format data. And again flash the G apps. Type ADB site load. And also put this to C drive. Continue. Now drag and drop this. Press enter. check our device. Volume down, power button, volume down and power button. Now go back, volume up. We are here. Okay. Press down button, press power button, then press power button. We have to reboot our system. Okay. If we are seeing Redmi logo or MI logo and unlock button, then we are safe. If we got any issue, we can recover it easily. Our phone is booted on Lineage OS. Yeah. And also we get some errors, but we also fix them. This video might helpful for you. I am setting it offline. Continue. Skip. You can set up your device here also. And yeah, we flashed our Lineage OS Android 16 on our Redmi Note 14 5G or Poco M7 Pro. Yay! I hope this guide is helpful for you, and I am glad to see you are watching this video to end. Let's meet in another video, and let a comment down on which topic next you want video. Okay, bye bye, Ram Ram, Sat Sri Akal, bye.